Oh.
Hey, this is Tech Tips with Kelly. We've talked about cleaning your laptops a lot, showing you how to blow them out properly. Let's take a look at a desktop today. We've had one come in here to the shop. We shouldn't really be doing this outside, but we really want to get a good effect and show you what's going on. If you come on in here closer, we are going to have to put on dust masks. If you look down here on the CPU fan, you can see it's caked with dust. This is normal household dust. This desktop is probably about 10 years old, sitting in a dark, damp place. And you can see down in these lower fans, they are built up. The fan blades are covered with dust. The top of the video cards inside the computer down here is caked with dust on top of the video card. So you really got to get in there, and you can see all of the debris backed up inside the laptop, inside the desktop. And if you get up in here inside this fan, you can see it is just caked with dust all up underneath there. This computer is ready to die. So it is so critical that you take time to clean your computers out properly. Everyone, a can of air goes a long way. So in order to do this, we are going to put on some surgical masks, because this stuff is nasty. This is 10 years of household someone else's funk, and I'm not going to breathe it, and neither should you. So we're going to go back to our little blower. Doesn't take much, a can of air, but if for as much as we blow out things around here, air would cost us a fortune. So we have our own little pocket blower here, and we're going to use that to clean out this computer. Not only are we just going to clean out the fan here, we also have the two fans on the case cover, and the power supply as well is going to need to be blown out front and back to get all the debris out of this computer so it can breathe again. We can repair it, but it's ready to die. This is close to death. So let's take a look at what happens when we blow out a computer. All of this debris is causing this computer to overheat and cause lots of problems. If you wonder why your computer's slowing down and not breathing right, it's because of dust buildup. If you get in close and look at the fins, you can see how they're clearing up a lot more now. You can start to see the fins so that the air can get through and cool that CPU properly. Now since we have this computer here, we want to get everything clean. We want to clean out the front and get all this dust out of here. The video card has a heat sink on here, and it needs to be cleared out of all of this debris. It's really important. This computer has to breathe. If it doesn't breathe, like me and you, it dies. Again, you should do things like this outside and wear proper protection, because this stuff is nasty. 10 years of household funk is stuffed in here, and it's not good to breathe any of this. You want to spend some time, good 5 minutes in and out. Take this apart as much as possible. If you can get the front of the case off in some of these computers, it's good to pop the front off and blow out in here as well. It'll help this computer stay cool and live much longer. Again, this is Tech Tips with Kelly. Get yourself a can of air and do your computer a favor. 859-269-5000, KelenPC.com.